Hello, yarn besties. I am the Crafty Crocheter, and if you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out, and become a yarn bestie today by clicking the subscribe button and get access to more content. Don't forget to hype this video, share this video, and recommend this channel to all of your family and friends. Alright, so welcome to Yarn Haul Fridays, and now I'm going to show you the yarn haul I got from my Michaels that I went on last Saturday. So I will get into that right now. So and I'll mention the cost of all of the products in the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. All right. So first things first. Now I'll go to the non-yarn essentials. So as you know, I had mentioned in my live stream and in my recent Whip It on Wednesday video that I am doing an embroidery project with that kit that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. So the hoop that came with the project with the kit was kind of too small for the fabric inlay that they had for the pattern. So I went and I bought two embroidery hoops. I got a 9-inch and a 10-inch. This is the 10-inch embroidery hoop. It's just a bamboo type of embroidery hoop from Loops and Threads, which is a Michaels brand. And the 9-inch one seemed to fit the best. A 10-inch would have been way too big. Would have been way too big for the pattern and for the fabric. So I have the 9-inch one set up for my embroidery project. And each of the hoops was $3.49. Next, now many of you may have seen these at Michaels as crochet kits, as knitting kits, punch hole kits, and things like that from Jonathan Adler. So if anyone has seen these on your shelves, you'll know what I'm talking about. Now they had a special on these that all of these were half price. So these were originally $20 and I got it for $10. And I thought this was a cute little project. It's a snowy owl. So I plan on working this up and give a review for this. So, and it has all of the essentials like the yarn and the needles and the hook and everything like that. So it's kind of like a Woobles kit, but way cheaper. Again, from Jonathan Adler. All right, let's move on to the yarns. So I'll go with the Karen first because I got a couple Karen yarns. Now, I bought a couple of the Smash Cakes yarn in the past, so I saw this color, I fell in love with it, and here's the Karen Smash Cakes, and look how beautiful that colorway is. A lot of blues and greens, a little bit of white in there, so a little hint of purple in there. And then the specs for this is the number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and they recommend a US 8 knit needles or a US I9 crochet hook. It's machine washable and dryable. It's 100% acrylic. It's 8.0 ounces or 227 grams, 432 yards or 395 meters. And the colorway is jelly filled. Lot number 2025-10-19. So I'll show you all the information for that now. So here's the lot number. You can see that on the camera. Then there's the colorway for that. You can see it. Then there's all the specs for like the hook size, needle sizes. I don't know how well I can see that on the camera, so I apologize if it's a little blurry. And then there's the weight, and then there's the fiber content. And again, I am an affiliate for Yarnspiration, so if you go to my affiliate link, which will be in the description below, and you order some of this yarn, any orders made as a result will result in commission money going into my pocket, which will be used to further grow the channel. All right, then another Karen one I got was for their cotton painterly cakes. Now this is kind of similar to the cotton cakes yarn that I used for that scarf project. But I love the colorway on this, and this was the original color that scarf was supposed to be. But it's not the Calico Flowers one, but this is a different colorway, obviously. But it's almost similar to this. And I'll go over the specs now. It is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and they recommend a US 7 knit needles or US H8 crochet hook. It's machine washable and dryable. It's 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. 8.0 ounces or 227 grams, 481 yards or 440 meters. And the colorway is Party Hardy, or lot number 2024-08-40 341. And here is the lot number for that yarn if y'all are interested. And there's the colorway for that. And there's the weight of the yarn. And the recommended hook and needle sizes. Washing instructions. And then there's the fiber content. And there's the weight and the length of the yarn. All right, so then on to the clearance yarns, because they had a clearance rack. My husband pointed it out because he was actually with me when I went to Michael's. Oh, the Karen yarns were both $14.99 a piece, because you never really see a sale for their Karen yarns unless it goes on clearance or something, but these were full price. All right, so let's move on to the clearance yarns. So they had their big twist yarns for $3 a piece. So I snagged a bunch. So then I'll go into all that I have that I bought. So, and the first one, I got 3 of this big twist color, 3 of these. I like the colorway, and I did not realize I already have a skein of this in stock. So, but I like the color, so I grabbed it. I kind of cleared the shelf a little bit. So anyway, I'll go into the specs now. So it's a big twist. It's 100% acrylic. 269 yards or 246 meters, 4.3 ounces or 121 grams. They recommend a US 8 for knit needles or an H8 for crochet hooks. Again, it's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. It's machine wash cold, gentle cycle, and it's 100% acrylic, and the colorway is Aqua Ombre. So let me see if I get that in focus here. There's the colorway, the fiber content, the weight and length of the skein itself, the yarn weight, and then the recommended hook needle sizes. And then there's the projects you can do with that. Then there's the machine wash instructions. And I got 3 of these. And for the rest of the skeins, they're all the same, big twist. So I won't go into detail of all the weight and all like I just done with this one. Next one, I got 3 of these as well, and the colorway for this is Unicorn Magic. And again, if you are interested, I'll show you all the specs again in case you missed the first one. All right, so then I got 2 of these. And the colorway for this yarn is Purple Ombre. So then there's the colorway for that yarn. And it's the same as all the previous ones I just showcased. Then I got 1 of these. And the colorway for this is Mountainside. And then finally, I just got 1 of this color. And the colorway is Gray Ombre. All right, that is the yarn haul, everyone. So, in all, including... So, let me recap the pricing for all of the items I got in today's haul. So, for the embroidery hoops, they were $3.49 a piece, so I got 2 of them. And then the Jonathan Adler crochet kit was $10 because it was half off. And then the Karen Cakes yarns were $14.99 a piece. Then all the Big Twist clearance yarns that I bought were $3 a piece, including subtotal and tax and rounding up for charity. The total came to $83 for this yarn. And this isn't yarn related, but I have to show you this because I saw this at the Michael's I was at, they put up a new Barnes and Noble. So, and my husband's hairdresser mentioned that, oh, there's a new Barnes and Noble over there. So we went and checked it out. And I was kind of disappointed with the amount of crochet and knitting books they had over there. They had made 1 little shelf, and there was like maybe a couple books on crochet and knitting. So I was kind of disappointed. But I did get a book there, however. You may have seen this in my post that I posted the other day. So it is for the Golden Girls. If you're onto the Golden Girls, it's Murder by Cheesecake, and this is a mystery novel themed around the show. So, and basically, after reading on the back, so basically Rose is planning her cousin's wedding, And then Dorothy she uses a video dating service, and I guess the guy that she gets involved with is a jerk, and then he finds out, then they find him dead and his face into cheesecake. So now they got to solve the case and see who the murderer was. So I'm gonna start reading this probably today. I may do kind of a slight review on it, but again, this is not a book review channel. This is a crochet and knitting channel. So, but I thought I would show this because I thought it was neat. And if you're interested in getting this from Barnes & Noble, it's available now. And then the cost was about $20 for the book. All right, so that does it for this haul, everyone. So hopefully y'all enjoyed that haul, and the yarns that you see in today's video will inspire you to create a project or 2 or 3, or just to practice your crochet and knitting. All right, so again, if you like what you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos come out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crafty Crocheter. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting.